ALA is asset lifecycle analytics.
It gives them a complete one view of everything that is in their plant.
Customers generally didn't know what they had installed at their site. How can we help them identify the potential risks using modern technologies that are out there? The functionality is a lot more in depth, and it's going to be very specific to their site. So they're going to be able to drill down into their site. This is the part that's failed, add it to shopping cart, and go through the purchasing process.
I think the excitement for them is that, okay, well, I can see everything that's in there. I now know what I need to purchase or what I need to plan for. It just takes the effort away. Being able to see what the risk is to the business just makes those decisions much easier. From a stats perspective, 63% of people's facility is obsolete. That's the running average. And anybody you ask, if you say, what is it that makes you lose sleep at night in the role that you're in, is downtime.
ALA started as a way to make an invisible problem visible, before it actually becomes downtime being the only option, really.
All of the customers that are with us today on ALA are super excited for anything because they love it anyway. It's blown their mind. And just, I think, an element of relief, really, because they know that they don't know. So I think it's a game changer, honestly. We're not coming out there saying that you can only work with us. This is manufacturer agnostic. This is everything. So we can 100% stand behind that is obsolete, or that is end of life in 47 months. We're down to the month on when when that product's going to become obsolete. We are in the industry of uptime, and every business will have uptime at the forefront of the mind. And this application gives them that peace of mind that they can see what their risk is, and it's easy and it makes sense.